Hi friends and family, welcome back for another unboxing. Today we're doing Boxy Charm, the base box. I'm drawing blanks, I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So most of you know Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription. This little guy here is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items, and it's a very fun subscription. I do pay for this box myself, which really excites me because I do not know what the variation is. And I think it's always fun to see what I get. You also can earn charm points, so by reviewing these, and you can use them in the charm room when they open that up. They also have add-ons and a bunch of fun other stuff. They do have 2 other subscriptions as well, but this one we're going to be reviewing the base box. I have not looked at this at all. I did pre-cut the sticker here just so that it would save me time and struggle on camera, but you always also know because in here it's red inside the box, so that is how you know it's base box. It looks like this month is, so you get a card with a theme and your prices. So this one is called Fresh Start, and it looks like, oh, they changed the variation. So usually it was just a regular number, but the variation is down here at the bottom. Don't know if you can see it. Nope. Okay, so anyway, it is variation C2101014-BA, which I guess is probably for base, the BA. I don't know. Anyway, let's see here. Here's the sneak peek. And it looks like I got the... So this is the Ciate London, the Velvet Palette, 12-piece eyeshadow palette. So that's interesting. Let me get my little tweezers, my little tweezies, my tweezies for sheezies, so that we can open that up. Alrighty, alright, we don't want this guy. I have a trash back there. We'll see if it made it in there or not in the end. Alright, so come on. There we go. So let's open her up. Let's see. Oh, very nice. This is like a cute little compact size. Yeah, alright. It's cute. Oh yeah, definitely has a great mirror, or at least the reflection is nice. Anyway, oh, these are really pretty. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at the pattern in her. Oh, very pretty. What is that? Oh my gosh. Like, that literally just fell out. I heard it. So I heard something fall, but I thought like I just knocked something off of my desk, and then I saw, I was like, what is that silvery shade? So, well, I mean, you know, you can't have everything, but there we are there. There's the full palette intact. Very pretty colors. Ooh. You guys, I would totally do this as a giveaway, or, you know, if I had enough followers or subscribers in order to do this. But because I probably won't use this. I feel like we get so many palettes, and these are just, I mean, they're gorgeous colors, but I'm gonna go ahead and do swatches for you guys, and I'll also definitely put this on Instagram. I know I slacked a little on Instagram because of the holidays, but I am going to start picking that up again and doing that. So let's go ahead and do this really gorgeous color here. Alright, a little light pigment, and that one fell out again. Oh, I like that color. I like colors like this. I don't know if you've noticed that already. I was into these orangey colors in the fall. So gorgeous. Okay, let's dip into, oops, I forgot, little guy fell out again. So let's go ahead and do this gold because I'm all about golds. And let's do the purple underneath it. You know, they're not like, well, on camera they do, maybe it's just dark where I'm sitting, I can't really tell, but let's see. Oh yeah, those are pretty. Okay, all right. I'm not mad at it. I mean, very pretty colors. I feel like you could use these as highlighters as well, so you know, it's always nice to do. That was a doozy. Alrighty. Okie dokie. So nice full-size item here. Looks pretty green to me. All right, let's see. And it is sealed, so let's go ahead and open her up. It is totally green for St. Patrick's Day coming up. It has a nice, it has a lime, not like lime, but like a artificial lime scent. Okay, so yeah, nice. It does feel very gel, and I don't really like gel creams. I prefer creams, but this is fine. If I'm gonna give it a try or two, and if I don't like it, I will probably give it to a friend who lets me give them things, and we'll see how that goes. Oh my goodness, I am so embarrassed. I forgot to tell you that the Ciate London palette, this palette retails for $30, and this cream, the pharmacy cream, retails for $38. So again, a $25 box. We are off to a great start because just the first palette alone was more than enough to pay for the box. So we're off to a great start with that. All right, and then let's see, we got this Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So come on, little guy, come on. There we go. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and open that up. I do like Dr. Brandt. I first tried it in BoxyCharm, and I love the face wash. Like, that stuff is real. Like, no lie, it's the legit thing to do. So I'll be using this for sure. Again, I have so many eye creams, but this one doesn't have a seal, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a try. So yeah, see, it's not sealed up, so let's go ahead and see. Like, I'll probably use this more than I will the pharmacy stuff. And oh yeah, it's a nice thick cream. It has a bit of a medication. I don't know what the heck is medicated. Maybe that's what I'm trying to say. Of course, it's clear. It's pretty thick. It's a nice consistency. Let's see if I can put that on my finger. The last time that didn't want... Oh, there we go. Look at that. So yeah, nice texture. There we go. Anyway, I mean, I do get my nails did, but that's because I don't want to look like raunchy on camera, but... that's about the most I do with my fun little life. Okay, this little guy is... whoa. This thing is $82. $82. And I don't see the... oh, okay, it's a 0.5. 0.5 ounce. $82. So you know this stuff's gonna work. This is gonna work. It better work, right? Okay, and then we have this Queen, what? Queen? Dragon Duo. So let's see, what the heck is this about? A duo. So hopefully there's two things in here, huh? Nothing wrong with a duo. It's always double prizes. It's a movie quote. Oh, yeah. All right, so it looks like, I'm guessing it is an eyeliner and a wing, like a winged liner. So look at how cute that packaging is, though. It does like have little, I don't know, like little dragons on it. And then you have this. Okay, so let me go ahead and see what the heck. Oh yeah, okay. So it is, looks like it's definitely in black because we got black at the bottom here. And then here's the tip for that. Looks like it's going to glide on fairly smooth. Okay, not as smooth as I would think. It was a little, like I feel like you're gonna have to warm it up on your skin in order to get that smoothness. But here we are. And it's not like super pigmented, I feel like. Like, okay, here is me, you know, building that up. And then the second line. So first line, me building it up. Second line, that's actually 2 strokes right there. So I'm not sure. I'll give it a try. Always willing to try it. I mean, it's not as smooth as some of those other ones that we've gotten before, but that's all right. And let's go ahead and open this up. Here is that felt tip marker, or felt tip. Come on, little guy. So if you go up and then back, that's how my camera seems to want to work. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll do, okay, that's nice. So go up and then back. There we go. So yeah, again, you can see, you know, this was building it up. That was even with 2 strokes. And then we've got the felt tip here, which that seems nice. So I'm good with just this working out. I was kind of bummed about this other one, but that's okay, you know. Double prizes, as long as one works exceptionally well, then, you know, it's not too much of a loss. And who knows, maybe trying this is different than the swatch. So this is the Qveen Studio Dragon Duo, $28 for this. And then we've got, last item here is a nice sized bottle, nicely wrapped up. All right. Reset Mist, and I believe I did choose this. I was excited for this mist. I don't believe it was like a finishing spray or anything. I think it was just a refresher, and I like the bottle. So let's go ahead and look more into this. This is from the Lifestyle Co. Indulge, if I can read. So indulge in a lavender and tea tree oil infused body and linen spray. Spray and reset mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep, and use it as a toner for your face in the morning to enjoy the properties of tea tree oil. Oh, interesting. So it has more than one use. So it is definitely a lifestyle item, like the brand says. So let's go ahead and give her a whirl. This retails for $36. Wow. So I'm guessing, oh, there's salt in the bottom. I could hear something. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could see. I don't know if you can see in there. See those little salt crystals in there? That's awesome. That's an awesome idea. Okay. Oh yeah, very light. Yeah, definitely has lavender essential oil, which is what we can expect, especially with the price and with it saying lavender. Would work good on your pillows. This is definitely something up my alley. It's not too strong where my migraine, like it's a very, very light hint of lavender. I do like this. Lavender is so good for migraines because it is so soothing. We put it in, so usually I'll put it in my, what is it? My mist thing. The Vicks vapor thing. I'll put lavender in there and that helps relax me and calm me, because sometimes after migraine, like when I feel migraines, I've gotten to a point I'm in so much fear of them, I almost get like anxiety because I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel it coming. So lavender is amazing for that. I know you don't need to know all that, but anyway, I'm excited for this. I love stuff like this. Like, oh yeah, and that's an awesome idea for your face. Like it does feel really soothing and refreshing. So that's exciting. All right, so let's do a quick recap. We got for $25, we got the mister. We received the duo here. We got the Dr. Brandt Repair Eye Cream. We got the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the pharmacy stuff here, pharmacy cream, and then we got the Ciate London pellet. So let me know what variation you got. Did you like your variation? Were you excited? Let me go ahead and tally this up because you guys definitely got my first impression on this. So I didn't prepare that. So let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, so this was a retail value of $214. I know my phone was dead. I had to charge it. So anyway, $214 for $25. I think that this was, I think it was a good box. It wasn't great. I like some of the stuff. However, we've just gotten so much of this type of thing recently. So I could have done like without... Like, I wish they would have just put one cream, and honestly, I don't care for pharmacy that much. I do love Dr. Brandt, so I would have much rather just received this. The Ciate London palette, they always put a palette, and I totally appreciate that. This one, I don't think I'm going to get as much use out of as some of the others, but I am definitely happy to see that. I do like the duo. However, I do wish we would get different colors. That would be fun. I would love to get like a blue or a purple or a green for eyeliners, and even for winged liners. That would be awesome. I do love this idea. This is different, fun, and I like that. So, you know, I would say maybe a 3 out of 5 stars for this box. Let me know your thoughts. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, and we will see you shortly. Peace, deuces, bye-bye.